Hello everyone, it's day 27 of my journey and I want to update you with what I did today. So the last 2 days in the weekend I was quite busy, so I did almost nothing. I watched some tutorials, but that's it, I didn't build anything. And today I kinda finished the home section. And you can see how it looks. Yeah, I think the layout is ready. The menu is still not working. It's not linked. But this is basically how the website is going to look. I need to add animations as well. I'm gonna animate everything, not just some items. I'm gonna animate the whole homepage. Maybe I will do this tomorrow. And I will really try hard to do a lot with the GSAP animations. Of course, I'm not going to go crazy with the animations. I'm gonna keep everything minimalistic, and it should improve the website, not destroy it. I want to have the feel of, to give a minimalistic vibe, a kind of professional vibe, and I think it's look kind of alright. The contrast is great. I think the layout is kind of cool. You can see everything easily. So let's go to the home page and see how it looks. Here is the home page, the hero section with my name, who am I, with button. Maybe I'm gonna change this button name, but I'm not sure how yet. Here I will have my 4 best projects with links. I'm gonna do link. I will redesign these cards. Um, Here is a label section. Look kind of interesting. Here is the text tag with marquee. That's looping infinity. Here is a keep scrolling animation that appears here. Here is the GSAP animation. I'm Stefan. Let's create something beautiful together. Here are the section with the services that I'm gonna offer. A design. I'm gonna design amazing, minimalistic, and responsive websites for your business. Here the development section. I will design, develop, and then deploy the site. I'm gonna host it. So basically the whole life cycle of the website. Here is a picture of me with the contact me section, kind of CTA section. And here is the footer, kind of minimalistic. Looks cool. I like it. And I'm gonna animate everything tomorrow. I'm gonna make it much better. I'm gonna animate this text. I'm gonna animate the images. I'm gonna animate maybe the CTA section a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm not going to go crazy, but it's very hard to do something just the right amount. So I would think about it, how to do it. I will spend all day tomorrow with animating this home section, and then I will start building the next section. The site is still not responsive. It's not responsive. You can see it. The text is responsive because I'm using my variables. And they're kind of responsive because they have a different size for every device. So you can see the text here on the desktop is bigger, on the tablet is smaller, and it's getting smaller with each device. But yeah, you can see it's not terrible responsive wise, but there is much to improve. It looks kinda alright, but there is much work to do. I'm gonna do this website the right way. This will be my introduction to businesses in the future. If someone want to hire me, it should look good and professional. Of course, it's not perfect, but I'm doing my best with my knowledge so far. Here is how the structure looks. We have the page wrapper. I'm trying to follow all the client first principles. I'm using the padding sections, using containers. So it should be easy to make everything responsive later. Gonna show you all the structure, how it looks. I'm using the spacers. Here I have the project wrappers. And this is the home header section. Here is the tech stack section. Everything, I'm using the padding globals, containers. And here you can see the label. And here is the marquee wrapper with the animations. Here is the home about with the animation. Maybe I should do a guide how I did everything. I'm not sure if anyone is interested. So far I'm just trying to build and just showing you what I've built. I don't feel like I have the knowledge yet to teach someone how to do it. I'm mostly looking from different templates, and I'm copying some of their ways how they do it. I also use ChatGPT when I struggle with something, but ChatGPT is not that helpful. The best way is to see a website you like and try to see how it's working and try to replicate it. That's how I'm doing it most of the times. Because it's still day 27, I spent like 5 hours per day, roughly. But I think I'm progressing fast. It's not even a full month. And right now, I can do a website. I can customize a template. If I download a template from the marketplace, I can customize it. Really, I think I will be able to do it. It will take me like maybe 2 or 3 days, but I will make it right eventually. So I'm happy with how the journey is going. And that's it, guys. That's it from me for today. And see you tomorrow when I'm gonna show you how I'll animate everything. I'll animate the whole homepage. Make it look even better. And please write a comment if you like it, if you don't like something from the layout. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of mistakes. But me personally, I am quite happy with how it's going so far. Also, write me if you want to see something from me, something from this project, how I did it. I will gladly answer every question. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.